In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App at a vending machine. It's a quick and easy process, but the vending machine must support card or contactless payments for this to work. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. The easiest way to use Cash App at a vending machine is with your Cash App Cash Card. First, make sure your Cash Card is activated and that you have enough balance available in your Cash App account. At the vending machine, look for a card reader or contactless payment symbol. You can either insert, swipe, or tap your Cash App card depending on the type of machine. You can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay if your Cash App card is connected to your mobile wallet. Simply hold your phone near the contactless reader on the vending machine to complete the payment. After the payment is approved, select the item you want from the vending machine, and it should automatically dispense your purchase. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.